Welcome to our interview preparation series, and today's question is, what are your strengths? This is a common question in job interviews, and answering it effectively can make a big difference. What is the importance of knowing your strengths? Understanding your strengths help you become more self-aware, boost your confidence, and can significantly impact your career success. It is a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. Let us understand how to answer this question. First, start by identifying your strengths. Reflect on your past experiences, achievements, and feedback from others. Common strengths include leadership, creativity, communication, problem solving, and adaptability. Second, match your strengths to the job or situation. Review the job description or requirements and identify which of your strengths align best. This helps make your strength more relevant and impactful. Third, provide specific examples to illustrate your strengths. Share stories or instances where you demonstrated these qualities. This makes your strength more tangible and credible. Strengths could be adaptation, hardworking, flexibility, fast decision making, self motivated, optimistic, cooperative, energetic, punctuality, honesty, etc. Do's. Focus on strengths relevant to the job or situation. Provide specific examples demonstrating those strengths. Show confidence without arrogance. Don'ts. Don't focus on irrelevant strengths. Avoid sounding arrogant. Don't be humble. Let's put it all together with an example. One of my key strengths is leadership. In my previous role, I lead a team of 10 people on a project to develop a new marketing strategy. I ensured clear communication, delegated tasks based on team members' strengths, and provided regular feedback. As a result, we successfully increased our campaign reach by 30%. This experience not only sharpened my leadership skills but also reinforced my ability to motivate and guide a team to achieve our goals. And that's it. Remember, identifying and presenting your strengths effectively can make a big difference. Keep practicing, and you will be ready to impress in any situation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you.